Section 2 of the online application summarizes your prior education. First, you'll need to let us know about where you attended and graduated high school. This section will prompt you to fill in the location information first, from the country down to the city, and then this section will automatically populate high school options in a drop-down list depending on your responses to those questions. If by chance your high school is not listed in the options in that drop-down list, you can select My High School is not on the list, and then you can manually type in your high school name. Once you've selected the appropriate school from the drop-down list or typed it in, you can then indicate the month and the year that you graduated. Or if you have not yet graduated, you will enter your anticipated graduation date. One optional line that you may see pop up is regarding your SAIS number if you attended high school in Arizona. If you do know your SAIS number, you can enter it there, or you can read more about that number if prompted in the What is a SAIS number link on that page. The next section again will be optional for students depending on whether or not you've attended any colleges or community colleges since your high school graduation. Please first indicate whether or not you have attended or are currently in college, and then follow the prompts from there. This information will be much the same as the previous high school section that you just finished. One key difference is that you'll be needing to let us know if you earned a degree at that institution or not, followed by the dates you attended. Once that is complete, there's one final question at the end of this page regarding previous college eligibility. In this section, we are looking for students to let us know if they're eligible to return to their previous colleges or universities that they attended in the last 7 years. Essentially, if you wanted to go back to your previous institution, would you be allowed to do so, and did you leave that institution in good standing? If your answer is no, then we would be asking you more information regarding that eligibility. After you've answered that question, you can save and continue.